Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Rahela Ferdousee, Assistant Teacher, Day Shift. Hope that all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. And dear students, today I am going to discuss Assignment 3 with the students of class 7. Our today's subject is Agriculture Studies, and this is your assignment number 3. My dear students, we will discuss this assignment and we got this from the government. Now you have to first see their chapter, and title of the chapter is chapter 2, that is Agriculture Technology. From your book you will take your book and you will open chapter 2, that is Agriculture Technology. Then the lesson number and topics. Here given lesson 5, seed multiplication technology in agriculture. Lesson 6, raising seedlings from seeds. Lesson 7, asexual multiplication of plants. Lesson 8, reproduction technology in animals. Mainly you will follow for today's assignment lessons 5 and lesson 6. Okay, now see our today's assigned task. Johir, an educated young man of a village, decides to produce quality seeds. For this, he follows the tricks of standard quality seed multiplication. Now answer the following questions on the basis of above information. Number 1. Mention the conditions which Johir has to follow to produce standard quality seed. Number 2. Why Johir keeps seed land isolated from commercial or normal crops. Number 3. Why has he done logging? Number 4. What type of seed should Johir use to produce quality crop? Number 5. What is the difference between basic seed and foundation seed? For this you have got the instruction that number 1, preparing assignments. Students can take help from lesson 5 and 6, chapter 2 of their NCTV textbook 2021 Agriculture Studies. Then alongside, help can be taken from teachers, guardians, internet or experienced persons having knowledge on agriculture. My dear students, I hope that you must read the assessment rubrics very well because on these assignment rubrics we will mark your assignment copy. Now we will discuss the assigned task. See, here it is said that Johir, an educated young man of a village, decides to produce quality seeds. He has to produce the quality seeds. For this, he follows the tricks of standard quality seed multiplication. Answer the following questions on the basis of above information. Number 1 is saying, mention the conditions which Johir has to follow to produce standard quality seeds. So here you have to write the conditions which he has to follow, and you will got this in your book, chapter 2, lesson 5. I have summarized here for you. You can follow it, the conditions. The number 1, conditions to follow to produce standard quality seed. Number 1 is preservation of purity of seed. Number 2, isolation of seed crop from commercial or normal crops. Number 3, treatment of seed. Number 4, seed sowing method. Number 5, logging. Number 6, intercultural operations. Number 7, harvest of seed crop. Number 8, drying of seeds and storage. My dear students, here I have summarized the points for you, but you have to write the points in details. Okay, you must write the points in details. Then number 2 is said, why Johir keeps seed land isolated from commercial or normal crops. The answer is that he has to keep the seeds isolated from commercial or normal crops because he wished he has to follow standard quality seed. If he doesn't keep the land isolated from commercial or normal crops, in that case his seeds quality won't be very good. He won't get standard quality seeds, and moreover there may be varieties or mixed ups with the weeds or other types of seeds, other types of vegetables or crops. That's why he must maintain isolation from commercial or normal crops. Number 3 is saying, why has he done logging? He needs logging because if he don't do rogging, in that case his origin of seeds could not be maintained, because there may grow some others kinds of seeds or some weeds, and they may mixed up with his original seeds. So and there will be some unwanted kinds of seeds among his seed crops. So there he must do rogging, and he must do the rogging before the flowering of the plants. Okay. Then number 4 is saying, what type of seed should Johid use to produce quality crop? We know that to get very good or very standard quality seed, he must use very good or standard quality seed also. Okay. So he should use the certified seed. He should use the certified seed which is authorized. Okay. Then number 5, what is the difference between basic seed and foundation seed? The difference between the basic seed and foundation seed is that the seed having high genetic character is produced in the research institute with intensive supervision by the plant breeding scientist, and it is called basic seeds. Usually basic seeds are produced in small quantity. These seeds are not for sale. On the contrary, the seed which is produced in a controlled environment from basic seed in the farm of the seed production institute is called foundation seed, and this foundation seed is also not for sale. Okay, I hope that you understood very well the assignment topics, and if you have any problem, you must call your teacher and you must contact with me, and you must submit your assignment within 11 September. Within 11 September. Okay, I hope that you understood very well. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.